Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We've got you covered. Individual 8-ounce bottles of Chick Fil A Polynesian, barbecue, honey mustard and garden herb ranch sauces are also available for purchase at participating restaurants nationwide. Customers should check the Chick Fil A app or contact their local restaurant to confirm availability.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Starting mid-November, customers will be able to purchase 16-ounce bottles of the company's signature Chick Fil A and Polynesian sauces at participating retailers, including Publix, Kroger, Walmart and Winn-Dixie stores in Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana and Mississippi, with a nationwide rollout scheduled for.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.